All right, what's up, guys? Not much. Exhaust fab time. Look at that straight pipe, bro. Look how big that shit is. Oof. All right, so we have our turf ski, and then we got a pipe to come out sideways, something like that. But we can't do it like that because realistically, that's too close to the gas tank. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it a lot shorter to keep it away from the gas tank. So we got to cut some pipe off this, and then we got some extra long pipe. Then we'll stick that about, cut a sharp 90 out, and we'll probably stick that about right there. So we got some spare, we got a little bit left. Yeah, that might be close. Actually, no, this will stick out a lot farther because technically, so I'll probably cut it like somewhere in there to finish it. So we have enough pipe. That's not the problem. The only problem is though, is the trunk actuator. Because this thing right here, that needs to stay because the trunk switch works off of this wire right here. So if I delete this, I also have to delete this. And I don't want to delete that because I want to keep this so I could, like, when I stop at the gas station, you know, because streetcar, I can hit the switch in the car, pop the trunk, and fill up my gas. So that's the plan. The problem is the way this pipe is going to come out back here is that it looks like I'm going to ride probably about maybe here. And I don't want to ride, I can't delete this. So what we're going to have to do is maybe cut here and probably shoot for something in the middle, because the frame for the middle is like about here. So based on our pipe size here, if we turn that maybe about like that, maybe per se, I should be good. That's what we're aiming for. We're aiming for this area. Don't know how that's actually gonna work, but we're gonna try. So I'm probably gonna, let's go ahead and get that cut first, get this turn on, you know, so we can kind of figure out where we're going here. Then let's kind of work our way back. So worst case, I know that I can figure that out. Or two, if I can't figure it out, guys, this is also another possibility, is we could just buy another one of these and just do one of these numbers. You know, if it doesn't work, we'll just pop one of these on the back. And this is a pretty, I'm pretty sure this thing will shoot huge flames, like a 4-inch pipe. That'll probably shoot fireballs all out of there. So that'll look pretty good. So, that's also an option. If we can't get it back there, we'll just kick ourselves up and we'll just shoot flames over the car. So that is an option, but not looking forward to cutting all this. But I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to run it right here and probably try to come straight out of the back. All right, so let's go ahead and get to cutting, and let's slice that, and let's see how that fits on there. All right, so hole is officially cut in the trunk. Kind of our painter's tape weld looks good. But now we gotta cut into the car. This is what I wasn't looking forward to. I cut everything else out, but now I think it's time to cut the car out. So looks good though, man. Nice 4-inch pipe. Race car, man. Now we just need some O2 sensors in here. Should be good. So I guess what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to trace as far as I can over this way, and then draw a hole, a 4-inch hole, And I'm gonna cut that 4-inch hole, and then I'm gonna slide the pipe in. And then however I get it to fit is however it's gonna fit. So it might be a little, cause straight ahead, we're gonna hit the lock piece. But if we kinda, kick it a little bit. And two, the good thing is, the scrap metal I got from my boy, it has a little kick in it. So hopefully I might just be able to weld this little kick straight to it, because that might push me right past it. I know the welds kind of aren't the best, but it was free, so we'll take it. And two, I'm probably gonna like Cerakote everything too, so it'll probably look good once it's done anyway. But all right, so I guess the point of no return, we are officially cutting out the back of your MR2, man. I don't know, looks good though. Once we get the intercooler and everything back in, it should be pretty good. So all right, I guess let's get to the cutting. Whew. All right, guys. Man, that was a lot of cutting. So got our hole, got our other hole. Ooh, look at that. I still think we can keep the trunk pop. It's about right there. I think I'm gonna just have to build another a wire. It's gonna have to go probably down and around to get to this, but it still should work. Whew, God, that took a lot to cut out. But as you can see, our pipe had the perfect bend in it. I just had to trim it down just a hair, but can just take our pipe, put it in the hole. All right, line our lines up, and then that'll be let's see if we can just stick it on there just to hold it. Yeah, but that's our exhaust, guys. Whew, man. This thing is freaking huge. So I guess now if you're worried about something, you can just, slide your whole arm into the exhaust to pick up something, right? So who knows? Whew, man. And then I guess I'll weld that up. Do one circle weld right there. And then when I get the bumper and stuff back on, I can trim this flush, I guess. Whew. I didn't want it pointing towards the middle of the car like that, but I guess I don't have a choice, because I don't want it any closer here than it has to be. And then too, if we like Cerakote it and thermal wrap this, wrap it in the header tape stuff, it should be pretty good. The only thing is though, I didn't want the flame to be like offset. So I feel like if I two-step, like this is kind of like, let's hit about right. Yeah, this is kind of the center of the car. So if I two-step, the flame is gonna like kick out of the. I wanted the flame to kind of stay out to the side, but I guess not. Whatever. Who cares? Still should work. So I guess let's go ahead and get this welded up. And I'm probably got to build a plate for this. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Maybe it'll act as a little support. Who knows? So, whew, God, I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. All right, but yeah, Turbski's in. I guess downpipe. I guess this isn't a downpipe. I guess I would say maybe trunk exit is complete. So, I don't even know what we're getting into next, to be honest with you. Maybe we'll start on the wiring or something. So, all right, guys. Checking in later with the 4-inch out. Peace.